Moment offers a wide range of reporting tools that help you find and organize any information inside your project database. In this video, we'll look at some of the most widely used report pages in Moment. When you need a complete overview of the status and key numbers in your projects, the project report is the place to go. This report page gives you access to aggregated values from all projects in your database and allows you to build exactly the reports you need. Using the filter, you can adjust the period, group data, sort by different values, and add more columns of relevant information. You can save the filter as a report for future use, and decide if this should just be your own report or a common one. After you've started creating your own reports, it's easy to switch between them, and display the data in different ways. You can always edit a saved report. All reports can be exported to PDF and Excel when you need to share reports outside of the organization or apply your own calculations. The project report is available to admins with the right access level, but also to project managers that need to see the totals of their own projects. When you're looking for more specific time record details, the Hours report is the place to go. This report shows you each individual time record in your Moment database and allows you to easily edit information when necessary. Using the filter options, you can decide how and what information should be displayed, and in this way build your very own reports. You'll save the active filter as a report, and then it's ready for use at any time. The report can of course be exported to PDF and Excel or printed directly from the page. The report is available on company level, project manager level, and in each individual project. This makes it available to coworkers with different needs for project insight. The Invoice report shows you all the invoices your company has drafted or sent. This report is great for getting an overview of individual invoices, as well as total revenue per month, customer, and project by using the grouping options in the filter. You'll see whether an invoice has been paid or has an outstanding amount, and you can break the invoices down and divide the amounts between fees and expenses. As always, you can save filters as reports and export any report to PDF and Excel. With the help of Moment's reporting tools, you'll have access to all project data and can build the reports you need to take control of your projects. In future videos, we'll explore more report pages and go more in depth in the various reporting options.